Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video is not going to be any technical, but it's very important for your career. I have been reached out by my lot of students that Vishal, can you please share a resume template so that our profile can get shortlisted? A lot of people ping me that Vishal, my resume is not even getting shortlisted. So what should I do? The main problem is that your resume is not ATS friendly, and most of you're going to apply to hundred of job but it not getting but receive only two or two three interview call. Why? Because not is your like you have not listed your skills. It because our resume is not ATS friendly. And the worst part, people are paying thousands of rupees to get their resume professionally written. But today I'm going to show you how you can create a complete ATS optimized resume in just 10 minutes, and that too for absolutely free. And for that, I'm going to use a Claude AI. And not only that, I'll also share the exact prompt which is going to generate some real production level experience instead of generate like those generic AI bullet point in your resume, so everyone can recognize instantly. So let's get started. But before we jump in, this is my resume, and I'm sure like this is definitely going to have around 50 or 50 ATS score. And if I'm going to use this to apply in any product based company, I'm highly like 90% chances that I'll get rejected based on this profile. And why? Because obviously you can see the format. But before we jump into the cloud, let's first understand one more important factor that why the resumes got rejected, because you cannot simply write that these are my skills. No recruiter wants to see that okay what all you know. They wanted to see the business impact, the production experience, scale, ownership. Your resume should tell a story like how you have optimized cloud costs without impacting performance, how you have migrated completely legacy system with minimal downtime. Don't just list technologies. And these bullet points, basically I'm talking about the data engineering point of view. If you are from a data analytics, you can definitely ask that okay, how what are the main points you need to add so that a recruiter can understand that you really created a business impact in your previous companies. So for that, what you need to do is you are going to the Claude, and here I'll give you one prompt. But before that, we have few websites where we can check our overall score. So let me just like I'm going to upload my current profile, which is Vishal Kaushal resume. I'm going to upload that, and here this is the one I'm going to upload to check what is the current score. So it is going to update, it is going to check for the resume. I'm going to like pass it, and then it will generate a score of around 45, 50, or whatever it can. All right, so my resume score is 41, which is very poor, and I was also very sure about it that it is going to be very poor. So this contact detail is one missing. I have just missed basically the star one, so that could have been improved. Second, we have some problem like quantify impact. There is not like at my experience, I might not have added some bullet point which is definitely going to quantify the impact in this profile. So what you need to do is you have to come to basically on your on your LinkedIn. So I'm going to utilize your LinkedIn profile for this. And here what we are going to do, you open your profile and click on these three dots. And once you click on three dots, you're going to save your complete profile, save to PDF. And once this is saved, now I am going to utilize the same PDF to my Claude here. So I'm going to attach that complete this PDF file, and then this is my profile. I'm going to attach it, and after that I'm going to use this prompt, and I will be giving you this prompt. Okay, so you just need to comment down and I'll share this prompt with you, and let's just enter. So what it is going to do is it is going to give me a complete file or it is going to generate a like a resume for me which I can use. But that is not it. What I need to do is, or basically I could have simply alter this prompt. And okay, yeah, I can. All right, this I can simply ask generate the output in .tex file. Okay, so it is going to generate some like response and all that. So it is going to do now. Help me with .tex file for this resume, for this profile. So it will give me a complete latex code for it, and which you have to use on Overleaf. So you need to go to Overleaf, sign in, and going to click on a new project. So whatever the new this the latex code we are going to get it, I am going to utilize to generate my project. And trust me, this is a very like very simple step. All you just have to wait for the response from the Claude, which can take a couple of minutes. Okay. So it can take 1 minute. I'm not pausing this video, but maybe like okay, I can try to edit it. If not, if it is gonna take time. So this is just taking this, compile the latex resume twice to resolve references, and make sure. But before this, make sure that your LinkedIn profile is completely up to date. So you should have your proper certification details, your experience details, your business impact, your project roles and responsibility. Everything should be there. Okay, so because if anything is missing, you may not be able to get a complete details. Okay, so it's gonna take obviously layout look clean, good spacing, no overflow, ATS safe, and you are going to get your details. So they have generated your resume itself, but I do not need this. What I need the text file. I'm going to copy this, and I will come under the overlay, click on the new project, click on the blank project, and my resume. This is the project name I'm going to give it. Click on create. Once I did that, now whatever the code we do have over here, just simply delete that and paste whatever you got it from the cloud. Now, one more thing. Imagine that you wanted to edit something in this, anything, anything, let's say your mobile number, your email address, or let's say your name, anything. If you are just going to say, no, I'm not a data engineering manager, I'm a solution architect only, so I can just simply edit that. And now I am going to click on this, and wait a minute, and I'm going to recompile this. Now your resume is completely ready. So you have got this complete latex code from the cloud. You put it over here. You deleted the existing code, whatever you were having into your project, and then you just compile it. You may not be able to see it, so you just need to check it that you have to show this PDF version here, and you can see that this is the same version which usually recruiter want to see. Now you can definitely add those impact over here, like there's reduced snowflake compute cost by 25 to 40%, and these are the some points if you are someone with the 10 plus years of experience. Now I'm going to download this PDF. This is my resume PDF, and I'll come here into the resume, and I'm going to rescore. That means now I am going to use a different profile which generated by Claude. I'm going to score that, and let's see how much I'm going to get it. And for that, there is one more website we do have is enhancedcv.com, and I am going to check. uh, okay, how can we check it? Plus create. Maybe I need to check it. But anyways, let's just go to the previous one. So it leads to the 65. Again, yes, there is something quantify impact, there is 5. So you can obviously, like, if you are going to check it, that these are the few points which was not working well, which is not working well. So I can definitely ask or can take help from the Claude again to rewrite these and to change this impact. So whatever is the green, that looks good to you, and when you are going to change it, that is definitely going to increase or make this 65 to 70 or 80. Now come to the repetition here. You have it that modern data extract, Snowflake compute cost. So this was basically a repetitions. So you can just again ask your Claude that please fix it. Here you can see this compute cost by 25 to 40%. So that is something you can say by X number, and you can make sure that it should not be repeated. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then please give a thumbs up and comment prompt in the video, and I'll ping you the prompt directly. Thank you so much. Have a good day.